Okay, this is something that I proctorized. I often pick up things that other people discard and then repair, fix, or modify to be useful again. I picked up this Dune Buggy from somebody that had basically discarded it because the motor was gone and they weren't able to fix the motor. So what I've done here that other people could actually copy is I've just bought another motor, a little bit more modern one, and then I modified it for the drive system. Now this clutch here, this clutch, I didn't have the original motor or the clutch, so I took a clutch off of a Skidoo, what we call a Skidoo, and of course the Skidoo clutch fits onto a tapered shaft, and of course this is just a standard motor, so I needed a straight. I needed to have the taper part made straight. So what I did was I lathed it out. Even though this is aluminum, where it fits onto the taper shaft on the Skidoo is metal. So I was able to bore that out and put a straight sleeve in there with a keyway and attached to the motor. The motor also had to be drilled. The crankshaft had to be drilled and put I used ready rod here that holds the clutch in place. Now a Skidoo clutch runs at a much higher RPM. They run up around 10,000 RPM or so. So it wouldn't work well on this engine. So underneath here, there's a series of weights. Now what I did there was modify the weights to actually you'd have to add more weight in order to have the clutch operate at a lower RPM. And put it together, and it seems to be working quite well. Probably on another video I'll take the clutch apart and show you how to modify that if there's an interest in this project. Anyway, I put it together and it works quite well, so let's fire it up and go for a wild ride.